feet gave me the call, leaving suitcase in my hands. With the price of a pint indeed to bite, there was good old crack on the boat that night as we left our homes in Ireland. Though the lights they flickered from the shore, the boat was rocking to and fro, heading for the docks of Liverpool. How we sang and danced the night away, the squeeze box and the fiddle played, stepping off the boat at Liverpool. Rise up at the crack of dawn, working hard the whole week long. Night time I'd play the old guitar. How we sang together, one and all, side by side and standing tall. The crack was good down in the Liffey bar. Oh, the lights they flickered from the shore, the boat was rocking to and fro, down beside the docks at Liverpool. How we sang and danced the night away, the squeeze box and the fiddle played, stepping out at night in Liverpool. Many years ago, fortune came, I'll have you know, leaving that old suitcase in my hands. And now it's time to bid adieu to my good old pals in Liverpool. Tomorrow I'll be back in Ireland. Oh, the lights they flickered from the shore, the boat was rocking to and fro, leaving from the docks of Liverpool. How we sang and danced the night away, the squeeze box and the fiddle played, stepping off the boat from Liverpool. Oh, the lights they flickered from the shore, the boat was rocking to and fro, leaving from the docks of Liverpool. How we sang and danced the night away, the squeeze box and the fiddle played, stepping off the boat from Liverpool. Stepping off the boat from Liverpool.